अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद है तमाम देखने वाले खैरियत से होंगे। तो जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हम मैथ 10th क्लास की कर रहे हैं, तो जिसके हम चैप्टर नंबर 4 पे हैं, जो कि है पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस। तो आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 4 की एक्सरसाइज 4.4, जो कि है रिजॉल्व इनटू पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस। इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है एक्स क्यूब और एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4 होल का स्क्वायर। तो सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि ये हमारे पास है क्या चीज़। ये हमारे पास पीछे हमने 3 रूल्स पढ़े हैं, तो ये हमारे पास चौथा रूल है एक्सरसाइज पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस को रिजॉल्व करने का, जो कि है इफ़ अ क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इन डिनोमिनेटर एंड इज इरिपीटेबल which cannot be repeated, so we can just factorize it like suppose we have a question like 1 over x square plus 4 whole square. We can just do it like ax plus b over x square plus 4 plus cx plus d over x square plus 4 whole square. Like before the rules, before the previous 3 rules in which we studied, like first value was a over x square plus 4, like that. So now we are going to solve this question, x cube over x square plus 4 over the whole square. Okay, x cube over x square plus 4 whole square. As we know that the denominator x square plus 4 is a irrepeatable quadratic equation. So we will just do it like the example as I have gave to you, like x cube over x square plus 4 whole square is equal to ax plus b over x square plus 4 plus cx plus d over x square plus 4 whole square. Okay, so like previous, we just have to cancel the term in the denominator on the left hand side of the is equal to. So we will just multiplying both sides with x square plus 4 whole square. You all know that we are doing math 10th class chapter number 4 exercise 4.4, which is resolved into partial fractions. Once we multiply it, we get like x cube over x square plus 4 whole square into x square plus 4 whole square is equal to ax plus b over x square plus 4 into x square plus 4 whole square plus cx plus d into x square plus 4 or whole square over x square plus 4 whole square. We know that these two values are same, so we will cancel these. We get x cube is equal to, the square root will be cancelled by x square plus 4. We will get ax plus b into x square plus 4 plus these two values are also same, and we will cut this. We will get cx plus d. We will just name this equation as equation 1 and the equation we get as equation 2. Now we will further solve this equation, like x cube is equal to ax into x square is equal to ax cube plus ax into 4 is equal to 4ax plus b into x square is equal to bx square plus b into 4 is equal to 4b plus cx plus d. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. We will name this equation as equation 3. Now to find the values of components, we will just have to equate the coefficient of x cube, x square, x and the constants. Okay, like in previous we have one value of x from where we were finding the values of like coefficients. Okay, here we don't have any value of x from where we can find the value of coefficients, so we will just equate the coefficients of x cube, x square, x and constants. Okay, now equating the coefficients of x cube, x square, x and constants. Okay,
Yes.
so now move forward. We were having the equation 3 like x cube is equal to ax cube plus 4ax plus bx square plus 4ax plus bx square plus 4b plus cx plus d plus 4b plus cx plus d. First of all, equating the coefficients of x cube. Okay, we have like a is the coefficient of x cube, and on the left hand side 1 is the coefficient of x cube. As there is no value with x cube on the left hand side, so it means that there is 1. When there is no value, there is 1. Okay, a is equal to 1. From here we get the value of a. Okay, now calculating the coefficients of x square.
ठीक है.
Okay, now x square we get like here we have just one coefficient of x square. On the right hand side it is b, and we can see on left hand side there is there is nothing like x square, no value of x square, so it means that there is 0.
Okay.
So from here we get the value of b, which is equal to 0. Okay,
ठीक है.
now moving forward towards the value of x.
X.
Okay, now equating the coefficients of x, we get like we have two coefficients of x like a and c. Okay, just 1 minute. We get 4a plus c is equal to 0 exactly, because we have no value of x on the left hand side,
ठीक है.
so we will just have 4a plus c is equal to 0. We get the value of a, we have the value of a, so we will just put the value of a in this equation, like 4 into 1 plus c is equal to 0. 4 into 1,
4.
4 plus c is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 4.
4.
As 4 is in plus on this side, when we'll move it to the other side, it will take the minus sign ultimately. Okay,
ठीक है.
now we get the value of a, b and c, and the remaining value is of d. We get x cube values, x square values, x values. Now equating the coefficients of constants. Constant mean which have no value of x. We do not have any kind of x in them. Okay, like we have 4b plus d plus 1, 4b plus d. Okay, so now taking constants, we get 4b plus d is equal to, we don't have anything on left hand side, so it will be 0.
0.
Okay, we got the value of b,
B.
that is 0 exactly, plus d is equal to 0. 4 into 0,
0.
0 plus d is equal to 0, hence d is equal to
0.
0. So we got all the values like a, b, c and d.
D.
Now putting the values in equation 1. Equation 1. We were having equation 1 like this is our equation 1, x cube over x square plus 4 plus 4 whole square is equal to ax
plus b
over x
x
square
square plus 4
plus c
cx plus d
over
over x square plus 4 whole square.
whole square. Now we will just put the values of a, b, c and d. So
Okay.
now putting the values, we get x cube over x square plus 4 whole square is equal to, the value of a was
1.
1 into x plus value of b
0.
0 over x square plus 4 plus value of c was
Minus 4
minus 4 into x plus d
is 0.
0 over x square plus
Plus
4 whole
whole
square.
square.
Okay, Now we get the answer like x cube over x square plus 4 whole square is equal to 1 into x,
X.
x plus 0, x,
X.
or x square plus 4 plus into minus,
Minus.
minus 4 into x,
4x.
4x plus
0
4x plus 0,
is equal to 4x.
4x over x square plus 4 whole square.
square.
Hence it is our answer.